Hey guys, Kyle here, and today we're going to build another PC. We have a B450M Gigabyte with a 500 gig SSD. This says Ryzen 9 on it, but it's a lapped 3800X. We have 16 gigs of RGB RAM, and we're going to put a Aztec water cooler on it with a 600 watt power supply and a 1660 from PNY. I was going to explain why it's a good build. So you guys might be building this because it's a pretty good budget option for a 3800X. You can really go down to a 3700X. We're just using a 3800X because we just had one laying around. With 16 gigs of RAM, this is around ideal of where you should be with RAM. You don't really need much more, and you sometimes can run into problems with 8 gigs of RAM. So new recommended is definitely 16. A 500 gig SSD is just big enough that you can store a good amount of games and it won't break the bank. And a 1660 is probably the only reasonable graphics card anyone can buy today.
If you would like more information on why GPU prices are so inflated right now, go and check out our other video we made on the subject.
So we're just gonna go with that. And a B450M still gives you the option to upgrade to 5000 series while staying very relatively cheap. And a 120mm water cooler, for most people, if you buy it on a brand new market, it isn't really worth it. But you can go and find one on eBay for really cheap. And a 600 watt 80 plus power supply. It's not gold or anything, but since it's 80 plus and it's from EVGA, it's definitely gonna be reliable for you. Do my thing. By the way, we only use this cooler for testing. I'm actually going to use the water cooler for when we put it in the case. Next.
Technology.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Most. Like 8 years. Price. Orange. Oh, that's. Well. Hi. 800M.